Students, in this video, I'm explaining you how to solve the problem by Newton's divided difference formula. Newton's divided difference formula is applicable when x is equally distributed or as well as x is unequally distributed. That's why this formula is also called Newton's general interpolation formula. Here x values are given ununiformly distributed, correspondingly y or f of x given. First we write the formula y naught. Next factors we have to write x minus x naught. First you start by one factor x minus x naught into first entry in the first divided difference. Next two factors x minus x naught, x minus x1 into first entry in the second divided difference. Likewise we continue. First we prepare the divided difference table. Note down first column is given x value, second column is y or f of x. Then we start finding divided differences columns. First divided difference, as usual we take previous column difference 100 minus 48. Also, since it is a divided difference method, we also divide by x values. So we take 5 minus 4. Next 294 minus 100 divide by 7 minus 5. 900 minus 294 divide by 10 minus 7. So likewise we have to continue this all first divided. Second divided difference is obtained by, in the numerator we take difference between previous column. This is 97. This is 97. 97 minus 52 divide by, careful when you are taking in the denominator difference, you have to select, because this is the first entry, select the first entry, skip one entry, then take 7 minus 4. Next 202 minus 97, since it is a second entry, so take second entry, skip next you take 10 minus 5. Likewise, skipping one term in the middle, you continue this second divided difference column. Third divided difference, numerator always as usual difference between the previous column, 21 minus 15. But when you are finding third divided difference, the x difference denominator given by here 10 minus 4. How to take? Since it is a first entry, choose a first entry, skip two entries in the middle for the next third divided difference. So for second divided difference we have skipped one. Now we have to skip two entries, then choose the next 10 minus 4. For this entry, since it is a second entry, choose the second entry here, skip two entries, then take 11 minus 5. Likewise we continue. Then the last divided difference column obtained by, anyhow this all same, so numerator itself becomes 0, so what, minus 1. But denominator for this entry, since it is a first entry, so you take first entry. Next we have to skip 3 entries, 11 minus 4. For the next one, take this, skip 3 entries, 13 minus 5. Likewise we have to continue. Note down, these are the terms required for the formula substitution. So this is the first entry in the first divided difference, first entry in the second divided difference, first entry in the third divided difference, first entry in the fourth. These are the terms present in our formula. Those values we are substituting in the formula. 52, 15, 1, 0. So these are 52, 15, 1. So these are the terms we have in the formula is y naught 48, x minus x naught is 4 into f of x naught 8 comma x1. So this is first entry in the first divided. Similarly, this is the first entry in the second divided difference. This is the first entry in the third divided difference. So substituting all the values in the formula, then we substitute what x is required. So put x equal to 8 to find f of 8. So substituting in the place of x 8, so we calculate, the answer is 448. Similarly, substitute. This is the next one. Substitute separately. You substitute x is 15. So on calculation, we get 3150. This is the problem of finding polynomial when they given the x and y values. And next, after finding polynomial, you can find the values of y at x equal to 1.1, x equal to 1.5. So given x is 2, 4, 9, 10, y is 4, 56, 7, 11, 9, 80, like this. So we prepare the divided difference table. 56 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 2 will be 26. 7, 11 minus 56 divided by 9 minus 4 will be 131. 980 divided by 7, 11 divided by 10 minus 9 is 269. Next, for this column, 131 minus 26 divided by 9 minus 2. See, 269 minus 131 divided by 10 minus 4 will be 23. Next, 23 minus 15 divided by 10 minus 2. So as already told you, when you are calculating this, divide by 4 minus 2, 9 minus 4, 10 minus 9. Second divided difference, divide by, you have to take, we are skipping one entry in the middle. So 9 minus 2, 10 minus 4. The third divided difference in the denominator, skipping 2 entries in the middle, 10 minus 2. These are the values we are substituting in the formula. This is y naught. This is f of x naught comma x1. This is f of x naught, x1, x2. Similarly, first we write the formula, Newton's divided difference formula. So as I explained in the table, this is the first entry in the first divided difference, first entry in the second divided difference, first entry in the third divided difference. So y naught is 4, x naught 2, x1 4, x2 9. So these all values substituted here. Since they are asking a polynomial to find, so we should keep x as it is. After solving the equation in terms of x, we can substitute any value required. So 4 is keeping as it is. In this term, x minus 2 is common out, 26 remaining. X minus 4 into 15, it's a 15x minus 60. Then x minus 4 into x minus 9. X square minus 13x minus 4 minus 9 minus 13x minus 4 into minus 9 plus 36. Next, this 4 keeping as it is, this x minus 2 also keeping as it is. We simplify this. This gives us x square, 15x minus 13x is plus 2x. Then 26 minus 60 plus 36 gives us plus 2. Then multiplying x minus 2 with this, on simplification, finally the result is f of x equal to x cube minus 2x. Then after getting like this, we substitute x is 1.1 here, 1.1 whole cube. So this is 1.1 whole cube minus 2 into 1.1 gives the result minus 0.869. Similarly, f of 1.5, substituting x equal to 1.5 here, so we get the result 0.375.